Hello all, my name is Bappy Ahmed and welcome to this particular video. And today in this video I'm going to explain what does a data scientist do and what's the life cycle of a data science project. Okay, so actually many of my relative asked me about that. So here I have noted some steps. So there's all the steps are covered, all the pipeline of a data science projects and the work responsibility of a data scientist. Okay, so so the first step is data collection. So in data science, let it be a machine learning engineer or let it be a deep learning engineer. So first of all, he has to participate in data collection. So for that, there would be some stakeholder and there would be some domain expert. So there would be some domain expertise for that, for helping them. So this data can come from many sources like web scraping, from third API sources, okay, etc. So after collecting the data, what has to do of a data scientist? Actually, he has to prepare the data. Actually, he has to clean the data because when they will because when they will collect the data, actually this data won't be the clean data. Okay, because in this kinds of raw data, there would be lots of unnecessary, I mean, HTML tag or others information, so which won't be necessary. Okay, so for that they have to clean the data. Okay, and after cleaning the data, what they have to do, they have to perform the exploratory data analysis. Okay, so this particular thing is very important because based on this exploratory data analysis, a data scientist decides whether this data would good for the algorithm or not. Okay, so in this exploratory data analysis, they have to do a lots of things like they have to perform lots of statistical method. Okay, they have to perform lots of statistical analysis on the data. They will perform a lots of graphical analysis like they will plot scatter plot, box plot, okay, and whisker plot, etc. Okay, and in this data preparation section, they will use some packages like pandas, numpy, etc. Okay, so by using this pandas and numpy, they can actually prepare the data. They can actually clean the data. Okay, and in this exploratory data analysis, actually they will recur some necessary libraries like Seaborn, Matplotlib. Okay, so by using this library, actually they can plot various plots. So by using this graph, actually they can conclude about their data. Okay, so this is very important for doing data analysis. Okay, and so in this explore data analysis, they also have to select a feature. Okay, so when a data scientist gets a data set, so there might be a lots of record. Okay, there might be a lots of features. So there might be a lots of features. Okay, so for so for that, actually how they can conclude actually which feature are important, which features are not important. Okay, so for that they have to perform the exploratory analysis for that. Okay, so uh, by doing exploratory analysis, actually they can conclude like which features are important, which features are not important. Okay, so for doing that, they can use Pearson correlation coefficient and correlation matrix, etc. Okay, so in this EDA section, they will select the features, and after selecting the feature, after preparing the data, uh, they will go the they will go to the step 4, which is evaluating and interpret the EDA. Okay, actually of actually till now, what they have done, actually they have to interpret that, they have to evaluate that. Okay, to the domain expertise or to the stakeholder, like what they have concluded. Okay, what they have got from this data. Okay, so this kinds of information they have to evaluate that, they have to interpret that, they have to interpret that to the stakeholder or to the domain expertise. Okay, so so based on this interpretation, actually a domain expertise or a stakeholder will make a decision actually what kinds of a problem they are going to solve. Okay, so after after doing that, they will go to step 5. And this is so in this step 5, a data scientist will build a model by using this data. Okay, like they will be utilizing machine learning and deep learning algorithm for training this data. And after training the data, they will perform the testing method. So by using the test data, they will perform the test method, and then they will evaluate the model, actually how the model is performing. Okay, so if the model is performing well, okay, so they will make a conclusion. And if it is a, classification problem, okay, so after training the model, they have to calculate the precision and recall. Actually, they have to perform the performance matrices on that. Okay, for understanding how the model are performing, how the model is performing, it is performing well or not. Okay, and then they will go to the sixth step, which is a model deployment. Okay, so in this model deployment, what they actually do, they just try to build some they just try to create some web application. Okay, like using Flask. Okay, like using Flask, Django. Okay, so by using this framework, they just try to create some web application by using this machine learning or deep learning model. Okay, and after deploying the model, they can store the model, they can install the application in lots of platforms like Heroku, AWS, etc. Okay, and the last step is model optimization. Okay, in model optimization, what they do actually, like they observe the model is performing well or not in real time problem. Okay, if it is performing well in real time problem, so they conclude like this model is performing good. Okay, and this model can solve real world problem. And if it is not working well, okay, so they again perform the same step, like they will go to the one step, and they will again collect the data, and then they will again prepare the data, then they will perform the exploratory analysis and so on. Okay, so like that a data scientist works. And this is the life cycle, and this is the life cycle of a data science project. Okay, so you can see here's the same process. Okay, so that is how a data scientist works, and I think I have explained all this thing. So this was all about this particular video. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.